Hey guys, Dan here at Sterling Self Defense. Man Badger, happy to have his chair back. Still on the grudge. Alright, what we got today? Got a John Wick, the Power Plug Edition with top armor, fully wick milled, 6 1/4 barrel, and we'll do a CO2 test today on the Power Plug, full VCAS internals. Alright, let's get some numbers. And there you go, for all you people that want the CO2 test. Here you go. Always trying for the CO2 test. As my barrel of empty CO2 gets bigger and bigger. Alright, 8 gram joules, the usual. Anyway, I know I CO2 around here somewhere. CO2, 12 gram. I don't know, whatever brand that is. A lot of guys bitch about, oh, you got to get the good CO2s. Hold on, I'll get the camera up a little bit here. Guys complain, but oh, you got to get the good ones. This one's dirty. That one's this. I've had every CO2 ever made on the market. Most all of them come from the same Chinese facilities, and I've never seen a difference really. CO2 is CO2. Doesn't matter. You're not eating with it. You don't need food grade, and it's getting expensive. Doesn't matter. People say it's dirty. It's got oil. Whatever. It's not going to hurt the gun. No matter what they say. Hey, it's got a little oil in it. It's just going to lube your gun up a little bit. Not a big deal. In my experience, anyway. I've only shot about 100,000 rounds, so what the fuck would I know? But anyway, a lot of guys like to use the excuses. But alright, get my glasses on, and we'll get some numbers. Proof is in the pudding. Alright, air it up. We're ready to fire. Alright, first shot. .404. Woohoo! 332. 288. 218. 210. 148. And out of CO2. Some good numbers. Over 60 joules in the first shot. Not bad at all. And she's a pretty one. Into the barrel of CO2. Loaded for the next test. But alright, that's it for this one, guys. She's a beauty. John Wick Power Plug. All silvered out. I probably should have put a silver. I also have the RMR tops. I got them in silver. I should have put a silver one on here. Probably would have looked better. With the silver look anyway. But anyway, that's it for me, guys. See you on the next one. Say bye to Badger. Bye, Badger. Stay safe. Alright, guys, I'm back. Figured I might as well videotape the other test. Just drop the reg down a little bit to bring that high number down to balance up the bottom numbers a little bit. See what we got. Load her up, 8 gram joules, usual. 9 and 6. Ah, I just shot them all over the place. Ah. I got a little hunch on my joules. Where the hell did they all go? I don't find them, Badger will. Oh, unbelievable. Oh, there's one. Where the hell did they all go? Can't believe I lost. How am I going to lose? 1, 2, 3, 2 of them. Still missing. Get too much in the shot. Zach, you coming to get the jewels? Ah, here's another one. Ah, there you go. I found you. All right, sorry about that. Look, there's Zach. Come here, Zach. What are you doing, buddy? Say hello, Zach. He's waiting to see if I'm going to fire. All right, found him. Had to find him, otherwise Badger would have. Where you going? Yep, he's gone. All right, 12 grams CO2. Load her up. Let the follower loose and shot him out. Alright, air her up. We'll air it up. Alright, take tool, small adjustment to the regulator, dropped it down a little bit. First shot. 408, didn't really take it down that much. 336, almost like the same thing. 324, 258, 240, and 124. Alright, looks like I got to drop that rig down a little more. Still high, over 60 joules on the first shot. So I bring that down a little more. Bring it down to about 58, and that'll bring those low numbers up and make them all good and effective. Alright, well, I'm going to keep wasting CO2 till I get it right. Alright guys, stay safe. See you on the next one.